I have a 8200 Pro Series Craftsman riding lawn mower. I am having trouble with reverse. With PTO engaged or not, backing up is slow to almost impossible to move. Forward moving is fine. Any ideas to repair the problem? Thanks.
Hello. Thank you for choosing JustAnswer. My name is will be happy to assist you.
I guess that I don't understand how this works. I asked a question and I am awaiting a response.
I am here with you. Mark, did our problem occur suddenly, or gradually, over a period of time?
Just in the last 2 weeks, several mowings.
Thanks for your reply. Have you checked the condition of your transmission drive belt?
The drive belt is okay. As I noted, it moves forward just fine.
The reason I asked is because sometimes if your belt is slightly loose, it can affect motion in one direction, more than in the opposite direction. Also, have you noticed a buildup of dirt or debris on top of your transmission?
I will have to check that, but the mower is new, bought in April. I clean the drive belts and the mower deck after each use.
Sometimes a small piece of debris can prevent the lever on your transmission from fully shifting into reverse position. Due to your mower being relatively new, I do believe your transmission is okay.
I will look at it more closely. Are you familiar with this particular mower? Air in the hydrostatic line's a possibility?
I have never repaired a 8200 series mower, but I am very familiar with hydrostatic transaxles. Trapped air inside your transaxle can affect the performance of your transaxle, but it's not common to have this problem with a newer model mower.
Is it possible that air in the lines could be a possibility?
I do have a suggestion for you. Just to be sure, double check your belt, and check for debris in the area of the shift lever on your transaxle. If your belt is fine, and your lever is moving fully into reverse position, then we can check for trapped air. To remove trapped air, you will need to purge your transaxle.
Okay, but do you know how to get rid of the air in the line?
It's not very difficult. To purge your transaxle, you will need to have both rear wheels off the ground, high enough for them to spin freely. Can you hold on for a minute or two? I will attach some information that explains the purge procedure.
That would be great. Thanks.
Purge procedure, click here. You are welcome. I do hope all goes well for you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.